Basics of image measurement. The basic rule is that the accuracy of an image measurement will depend on the zoom size as well as the image resolution. In order to be able to place the measuring points precisely, the objects for the measurement must be displayed as large as possible. You can enable the desired measuring function by left-clicking on it, and the button will be highlighted in yellow. The mouse cursor will change to the measurement symbol as soon as you move it over the image. The selected measurement tool will be displayed beneath the mouse cursor until the measurement is complete. If you place the mouse cursor over the line once the measurement is complete, the start and end points as well as the middle of the line will each be marked with a box and can be moved. With the help of the boxes on the line, you can change or reposition the points using drag and drop. As a rule, the measurement tools will be disabled again after being used once. To use the same tool again, it would have to be enabled again in the toolbox. You can use the retain function to specify that a tool should remain enabled. So let's activate retain tool after measurement. Now the selected measurement will remain enabled until the function is disabled. By right-clicking on a measurement object, you can call up a context menu. The entries in the context menu will depend on the measurement object. For each measurement, you have the option, via the properties, to, for example, change the font color or display or hide additional information. All settings for a function can also be saved as the default for the Windows user who is logged in. Since the properties for each measurement object are different, the properties are explained only on the basis of examples and not for each measurement object. The General tab allows you to change the basic properties of the measurement object. The font properties can be changed in the Font tab. If Save as Default is checked, this will be saved for the Windows user who is logged in. Clicking on OK will accept the changes and these will be updated directly in the open image. The measurement results can be moved to any position in the image. They will then be connected by means of a guideline to the associated measurements. However, you can also undo this via the context menu. As a rule, measurements can be repositioned using drag and drop, as shown earlier. In order to prevent the position of measurements from being changed, they can also be fixed using the following button. Both the measurement objects and annotations will be fixed. To unfix again, click on the Fix Measurements, Annotations button again. If, for example, a series of hundreds of individual images contains some images in which measurements have been performed, you can use the Next Measurement Annotation in Series Sequence function to call up the next measurement object in the series. So, we jump to the next measurement by clicking the button. Please note that the function refers to the images within a series and not to the measurement objects inserted within an image. The Show and Hide Measurements button lets you show or hide the measurements in an image. This can be helpful, for example, if an image contains lots of measurements, making diagnostics difficult. By clicking on the Delete function, all measurements in an image can be deleted. This action cannot be undone.